Dear students, welcome to NIT Polytechnic online learning platform. We bring you the most relevant content in a most attractive digital format. Myself, Professor Anant V. Giradkar, lecturer NIT Polytechnic, Nagpur Civil Engineering Department. Today we learn Unit 2, Theodolite Surveying, and topic is 2.1.3. Now, summary of last lecture. In last lecture we learn means in previous topic we learn component parts of theodolite and their functions. Okay, that's in current topic. The CO, after completion of this video lecture, student will be able to prepare plans using theodolite surveying, and LO map is explain the given components of a transit theodolite, and PO map are PO1 basic knowledge, PO2, PO3, PO4, PO5, PO8, PO9 and PO10. Now, in this topic we learn reading the vernier of transit theodolite. Dear student, we already discussed the component parts of transit theodolite, and there are two plates, horizontal plate and vertical plate. On horizontal plate we measure the horizontal angle, and on vertical plate or vertical circle we measure the vertical angle. So we already discussed there are two spindles. This is the outer spindle having the outer circle, and having a inner spindle having a, this is a verniers. Okay, now horizontal circle consists of two verniers, that is vernier A and vernier B. Means vernier A and vernier B, this name indicate the horizontal circle. Inner circle having vernier scale, this is the inner circle having vernier scale, and outer circle having main scale graduating 0 degree to 360 degree, just like as compass. Then both verniers are fixed exactly 180 to each other. Means suppose one vernier is fixed here, so just second vernier means B vernier exactly 180 degree from 20, means in this way. Okay, then next, as per given figure, vernier A and B, 0 is placed at the center and 20 degree on both sides. This in this way, 0 at the center and 5, 10, 15 and 20 one side, and again here also this is the vernier scale. Then each degree is divided into three parts, equal parts. Means each degree means suppose a 0 to 5, so this is the 5 degree, but these two lines indicates 1 degree. So 1 degree is divided into three equal parts, hence each part is of 20 minutes. In compass we learn 1 degree is divided into two parts. Okay, so one part is equal to 30 minutes. So compass having a least count 30 minutes, but theodolite having 1 degree is divided into three parts, so one part is 20 minutes. So least count of theodolite is 20 minutes. Okay, then least count of both vernier is 20 minutes. Next, for reading first coincide 0 degree of vernier scale and main scale of vernier A, means when we measure the any angle, first of all we have set vernier A to 0, then automatically vernier B will be set at the 180 degree. In same time vernier B automatically shows the reading 180 degree. Okay. After that, unclamp the lower clamping screw and turn the telescope towards other point. Same time outer circle and main scale rotated. Then clamp the lower clamping screw and read the reading. While measuring the reading 0 on vernier scale, cross reading to main scale, take complete reading. Okay. Then and check the same for minute also. Okay. Then in this figure, reading shows 10 degree 20 minute. Here 10 degree is the complete and 20 minute. 20 minute means here 20 is 20 minute is related coincide with main scale and vernier scale. So रीडिंग कैन बी राइट एज, इस टाइप से इसका रीडिंग लिखते हैं डिग्री मिनट और सेकंड में, ऑलरेडी यू नो. Similarly, reading can be measured on vertical circle, but vertical circle having different vernier scales, that is vernier C and vernier D. So if we read the reading on vernier A and vernier B, so we know that is the horizontal circle reading, and if the reading are vernier C and vernier D, then that reading are vertical circle reading. Okay. Then remember that vernier C and vernier D provided on vertical circle. Vertical circle used for measure vertical angle and horizontal circle used for horizontal angle only. Then summary. In this topic we will learn reading the verniers of transit theodolite. Thank you very much. So remember that horizontal circle having two verniers, vernier A and vernier B, which are used for measure the horizontal angle, and vernier C and vernier D having vertical circle angle and measure the vertical angle. Remember that. Okay. Thank you very much.